Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how you can save 30% on your food bill. We all know that groceries can be expensive and the cost of food seems to be rising all the time, especially with inflation. But there are ways to cut down on your expenses without sacrificing the quality of your meals. So let's get started. The first step to saving money on your food bill is to plan your meals in advance. This means making a list of the meals you're going to cook for the week and the ingredients you need to buy. By planning ahead, you'll avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste, which can add up over time. When planning your meals, try to incorporate cheaper ingredients such as beans, lentils, and rice. These are affordable, healthy, and versatile ingredients that can be used in a variety of recipes. The second step is to shop smart. This means buying in bulk when possible and choosing store brands over name brands. Often, store brands are just as good as name brands but cost significantly less. Another tip is to shop at discount stores such as Aldi. These stores offer high quality products at low prices. However, be sure to compare prices to make sure you're getting the best deal. You can also bulk shop. This works well if you have a larger family or if you meal prep and then freeze your meals. Bulk shopping can be affordable if you go to Costco or other warehouse-style bulk shopping food retailer. They can have great prices when you buy in larger quantities and often have great coupons too. So remember to consider using any coupons offered by the store or brand and taking advantage of sales deals. You can find coupons online, in newspapers, or through loyalty programs. And when there's a sale on a product you use frequently, stock up to save money in the long run. The third step is to cook at home as much as possible. Eating out can be expensive, and you often end up paying hefty for the convenience of having someone else cook for you, either in a restaurant or pickup service. These fees can add up quickly and put you over your food budget. When you cook at home, you can control the ingredients you use and portion sizes, which can help you save money and eat healthier. Plus, cooking at home is a fun and creative way to experiment with new recipes and flavors. The fourth step is to cook in bulk. When you cook in bulk, you can save time and money by making multiple meals at once. For example, you can cook a large batch of chili or soup and freeze the leftovers for later. Another benefit of cooking in bulk is that it allows you to take advantage of sales. For example, if chicken is on sale, you can buy a large amount and cook several meals using chicken as the main ingredient and then freeze in airtight containers. The fifth step is to reduce food waste. Food waste is a significant problem and can cost you money if you're throwing away unused food. To reduce food waste, plan your meals carefully, use leftovers creatively, and store food properly. For example, you can use leftover vegetables in a stir-fry or omelette, or turn stale bread into croutons or bread pudding, and by storing food properly, you can extend its shelf life and reduce the likelihood of spoilage. The sixth step is to grow your own food. If you have space, consider starting a small garden to grow fruits and vegetables. This can save you money and provide you with fresh, healthy produce. Even if you don't have a yard, you can grow herbs and small plants in containers on your balcony or windowsill. Herbs are expensive to buy but easy to grow, and they can add flavor to your meals without adding extra cost. Saving money on your food bill is possible with a little bit of planning, smart shopping, and creative cooking. By following these tips, you can easily save 30% or more on your grocery bill without sacrificing the quality or variety of your meals. Remember to plan your meals, shop smart, cook at home, cook in bulk, reduce food waste, and grow your own food. With these strategies, you can save money, eat healthier, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you, and if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that would really help me out, and subscribe for more content.